Welcome to another episode in the UpKeep series, where we provide tools and resources to help maintenance and reliability teams be more successful. If you're a part of a maintenance or operations team, then this video is just for you. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and in this episode of our series, we're going to delve into the complexities of reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM. We'll be shedding light on the common pitfalls to avoid and sharing key strategies to enhance your maintenance plans. Now, I bet you're thinking, isn't RCM just about making an individual plan for each machine? Well, there's a lot more to it than that, and we're here to guide you through it. So stick around. You're about to learn how to navigate the tricky waters of RCM and make your maintenance and reliability teams more successful than ever. You see, an RCM plan isn't just one maintenance plan, it's the fluid combination of every maintenance plan. And while RCM might seem simple on the surface, there are a ton of moving parts within any solid RCM plan that could go wrong. One common mistake is over-focusing on singular strategies. Let's paint a picture here. A facility starts to create an RCM plan and pours most of its energy into developing a preventive maintenance, or PM, schedule. Now, PM schedules are an essential part of an RCM plan, but when the facility decides to put all their eggs in the PM basket, they don't give enough attention to their strategies for reactive maintenance, condition-based monitoring, and proactive maintenance strategies. You might be thinking, but isn't preventive maintenance the most important? Shouldn't they focus their time on that? While preventive maintenance is indeed a crucial type of maintenance, a comprehensive RCM plan needs every single one of its component maintenance plans to be planned out in advance. If not, the other types of maintenance might be performed poorly, or not at all. Another common pitfall is the lack of training and documentation. Just like with any maintenance plan, RCM strategies need good documentation and training to work. If employees aren't equipped with the proper tools, they can't perform their work, and the entire plan falls apart right from the start. This lack of training and documentation can take many forms. It could be relying too much on the tribal knowledge of experienced employees, poor communication between technicians and managers, or inadequate documentation efforts for maintenance procedures. Lastly, let's talk about improper data collection. The data a facility collects is the lifeblood of its improvement efforts. This data signifies where things are going right and where they're going wrong. But if a facility collects false data, or no data at all, they might be implementing maintenance strategies without a clear idea of what needs to be improved. So, it's crucial to collect accurate, useful data, usually via a computerized maintenance management system. This means not inflating PM figures, keeping track of equipment downtime, understanding the root causes of problems, and assessing schedule compliance. Thank you for sticking around till the end of this video. We've covered some key concepts today, including the importance of a comprehensive RCM plan, the pitfalls of over-focusing on singular strategies, the necessity of proper training and documentation, and the role of accurate data collection in improving your maintenance strategies. We hope you found this information valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips. To learn more about our tools and resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep those maintenance plans running smoothly.